This is how to make camp oven apple crumble, bush style. Well, Grandad, can you please start me a fire?
Yep, ready to go. There she goes.
The cool thing about this recipe is that it honestly requires bugger all ingredients, something you can make up really quick and easy on the campfire. When you're heading out bush with your friends and family, you've had a massive big feed and you want to whip together a quick dessert, let's get this thing started.
Yeah.
For starters, you're going to need some canned apples. You'll need some brown sugar, some ground cinnamon, self-raising flour, and 150 grams of butter. To make this recipe, you're going to take your can of tinned apples, open it up, and lay that in the bottom of the camp oven. Now, when it comes to something like apple crumble, it really is the crumble which makes it taste so good. It's the brown sugar and the butter. So let's make the crumble mixture. Now, to make the crumble mixture, you're going to combine all the ingredients into a bowl. You start off with 2 cups of self-raising flour, half a cup of brown sugar, and with the butter, about 150 grams, you're going to cut that into small cubes and combine that in the bowl as well. Mix that all up until you get a nice crumbly mixture. You can also do this to your size. If you like big pieces of crumble or small pieces of crumble, you can mix it to your desired size. We're also going to stir through some cinnamon just for that little extra hint of taste. Layer the mixture on top of the apples. Put the camp oven lid on and get those straight into the coals. Now, the blessing of this when you're out bush is that it probably takes about 20 or 30 minutes, so you're right to get back to enjoying your camping or just being in the outback while you wait for dessert to cook.
Okay, we'll give that about 20 minutes and have a look at it.
Rightio, if that is not the quickest and easiest camp oven apple crumble, few ingredients, good to go. Should we give this thing a taste?
Yeah, let's go.
Rightio, going in. Oh, look at that. You know it's going to taste good.
Let's go. Beautiful.
How good and quick and easy is that? That's how to make camp oven apple crumble, bush style.
Bush style.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for watching. You've been with me, Outback Tom, and Outback Grandad. If you'd like to see us build something else, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, you can always support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks, you mob. We'll see you soon.